This is where one of the world's toughest SUVs begins its journey, the Toyota Land Cruiser.
Everything starts deep within the earth, where raw materials are extracted under extreme conditions. Every revolution begins deep beneath the earth, where raw power is born. Lithium, the heart of electric energy, extracted with precision. These elements begin a global journey toward innovation. Lightweight aluminum is engineered for strength and efficiency. Raw iron is transformed into ultra-strong automotive-grade steel. The heart of the Land Cruiser begins to take shape.
At extreme temperatures, gold melts into a fiery liquid of unmatched value.
Liquid gold is carefully poured, shaping the first form of wealth.
From fire to form, the metal begins to solidify into bars. Aluminum is forged in fire, shaping strength without weight. These materials travel across continents to reach Toyota's advanced factories. Precision logistics ensure everything arrives exactly on time. Every sheet is cut with millimeter accuracy. High-pressure stamping machines shape the Land Cruiser's body. A strong ladder frame is built for extreme off-road durability.
Automation ensures flawless precision in every weld.
thousands of parts, united into one machine. Every detail is tested. Nothing is left to chance. Power is integrated at the core, silent yet unstoppable.
Check the alignment on the rear strut tower. Are we within tolerance?
Yes, the deviation is minimal. It looks accurate.
Each engine is carefully assembled for maximum performance. A powerful transmission system is built to handle any terrain. Strong axles deliver power to every wheel. Safety is engineered into every component. The body and frame come together as one. Technology flows through every inch. Inside, a new world is built. To build a limousine, everything must come apart. The body and frame come together as one. Multi-layer paint protects and enhances the vehicle. High-temperature curing ensures durability.
Luxury meets functionality inside the cabin.
Advanced technology enhances the driving experience. A network of electronics powers every feature.
Precision sealing ensures safety and comfort.
Ready to begin their global journey.
Transported across cities and states.
Shipped worldwide across oceans.
Speed meets efficiency in the race toward production.
Across oceans, Maine, materials travel thousands of miles.
Shipped worldwide across oceans.
Arriving at global markets.
Now available for customers.
A dream becomes reality.